Jesus. Holy.
Fuck. Oh. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. What the? Unlock your car now. Unlock your car.
Oh!
Table.
It's okay, honey.
Okay,
Now adjourned for the summer after a whirlwind week. But before it's over, the House of Commons and the Senate quietly passed major changes to the Pest Control Products Act. The new legislation gives Prime Minister Mark Carney's cabinet the ability to greenlight the use of any pesticide if it's in the interest of economic or national food security. That includes pesticides that Health Canada has deemed unsafe. For obvious reasons, that is, scientists and
she looks ridiculous in glasses. Like, you can't make anything this big look good on anyone. Jack Harlow does not look good with glasses. Imogen Heap might look good with glasses. Imogen Heap, like, could sincerely get away with wearing gigantic glasses. Yeah, actually, the most interesting thing about these pictures is,
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.